Hey, for today's video I'm going to show you these different type of batteries here, the 18650s. The first two are some Chinese batteries, followed by a Samsung. All three of those are supposed to be 300 milliamp hours, and then we have a knockoff of the Chinese battery. As you can see here, milliamp hours, we have 82 for the first one. The second Chinese battery doesn't even work at all. It won't even charge or test. The third one, which was the Samsung, we have 2700 milliamp hours. And then the knockoff of the Chinese battery, which is showing about 400 milliamp hours out of the 4600 that's advertised on the sticker. As you can see right here, it doesn't even say ultrafire, it's just wording to make it look like ultrafire. The logo is different. We'll go ahead and weigh all four of these real quick. Two of the ultrafires. This is the one that doesn't work at all at 35 grams versus the Samsung at 46 grams. We have another ultrafire, the one that did work, at 34 grams. And then the cheap knockoff, not ultrafire, at 33 grams. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.